Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, this is clickbait. This is my dog Mochi, guys. It's summertime, and the reason why I have him in the picture is because I'm making a watermelon salad today, a watermelon feta salad to boot. And I got my dog in here because my dog likes watermelon. Isn't that right, buddy? Exactly. See, this is Mochi, but we should have named him Darnell.
Got him!
Anyway, with that being said, guys, we're gonna get straight to the cook. I'm gonna get Mochi out the picture here. So let's get right to it, guys. Stay tuned. I wanna shout out you. Yes, you, my subscriber. Guys, whew, it is hot out here, man. For science. For science. For science. Alright guys, as I said before, welcome back to the channel. I'm Big Mike and this is BZ Cooks. And as I said before, guys, today we are making a watermelon feta cheese salad. It's summertime and this is a great addition to any type of barbecue or any type of summer dish that you're gonna make. It's refreshing, it's cool. Let's go over the ingredients. So we've got about a cup of diced cucumbers. We've got about a half cup of coarsely chopped mint. We've got some sliced red onions. Now these are thinly sliced. If you want to take the punch out of the onions, soak them in some water for about 15 minutes and that'll kill some of the punch from the onions and they won't be too strong. We're going to be adding somewhat of a vinaigrette type of dressing to it. So we've got 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a 1/4 cup of olive oil. We've got about a teaspoon of salt. And we've got some feta cheese. You're gonna add this at the end. You're not gonna put it in the beginning because you're gonna refrigerate this and you don't want the cheese to get soggy. So this and the dressing is something that you're gonna wanna add at the end, okay? And the star of the show, Darnell's favorite. We've got a couple of cups of watermelon, but let's get right into it, guys. I'm gonna give you the overhead shot and we're gonna mix this up and make it right in front of your eyes, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, we got our ingredients here. So we've got a bowl. First thing we're gonna do is pour our watermelon in here. I'm almost embarrassed to show you guys how to make this because it's so simple. All right, so we've got our watermelon. Okay, then you're gonna take your cucumber, dump that cucumber in there, and we're gonna take our mint. Now this mint can overpower the salad, so you wanna put it in sparingly. I'm not necessarily sure if you wanna add it all in there. I'm not gonna put it all in there. We're just gonna put maybe about 3/4 of it in there, okay? All right, so I'm gonna set this to the side, all right? But I just want you to see that. Take a couple of these slices and get them on in there. I'm not gonna put too many because I don't want the onions to overpower it. Let's get some small ones in there. Oh man, look at that. All right, so in another bowl, we're gonna take the olive oil, pour that in there, add our red wine vinegar, get our mini whisk. Shout out to my man AB over at Smoking and Grilling with AB because he's got the mini whisk down. Whisk this in, okay? So just gonna get that whisk turning and mix this in really good. All right, so we got that mixed together. So now you just want to toss this in, all right? Now you don't want to toss the salad for too long. Did I say that right? That's what he said. Do not toss the salad for too long because you don't want the watermelon to get soggy. All right. Got that in there. That's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna add this to a bowl, sprinkle some of that feta cheese in there. I am gonna add some of the dressing and we're gonna give it a taste. For science, of course. Wow, guys, that has got to be the quickest salad that I've ever made. It's probably the fastest video that I've ever made. But let me let you get a look at this. You saw the thumbnails. That looks delicious. And I've added some of the dressing. So, guys, you know what we got to do? We got to taste this for science. Let's go. Here we go. Well, what I can say is, without a shadow of a doubt, the mint definitely kicks it off. Let me give it another go here. The sweetness of the melon with the saltiness of the cheese, the red onions, not too pungent. Very tasty, guys. If you like a refreshing salad, guys, give this a try. Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, stop playing with your life. Let's hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button, guys. Leave a comment. Share this video with all your friends and family. With that being said, guys, this is Big Mike with BZ Cooks. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.